Emma's breath hitched as the doorknob twisted slowly. She took a step back, her heart pounding in her ears. The door creaked open an inch, just enough for the darkness beyond to spill into the room. A shadow moved. Emma grabbed the nearest thing, a lamp, and held it tight, ready to swing. Silence. Then a whisper right beside her ear. Too late. A cold hand clamped around her wrist. The lamp shattered to the floor, and the lights went out. The next morning, the house stood still. The door was locked, the windows shut. But Emma was gone. Her phone lay on the floor, its screen cracked, a single message typed but never sent. It's inside. The police searched the house, every room, every corner. Nothing. No signs of forced entry, no fingerprints. Just the faintest set of footprints leading from the window to her bedroom door. That night, the house remained empty, silent, until a soft tapping came at the window.